Hello everyone. Today we are here for the in-depth review of LG 32-inch LH576D Smart TV. It is a TV which supports YouTube, Miracast and other apps as well. Now if I press the home button here, it shows me a list of installed applications. And I can just browse them through this remote provided by LG. You can just look at them. This one is YouTube. It also got a store for the apps. We got a Hangama music app, Netflix as well, and the best one is this screen sharing app. It enables your phone and laptop to connect wirelessly to your TV via Miracast and Intel Wi-Fi, which allows your laptop or your phone to connect wirelessly to your TV. Now coming on to the specification, the TV boasts a 1366 by 768 resolution which is HD ready. It got two HDMI ports at the back and a USB port with one headphone jack and one optical audio output. Okay. It got two speakers at the bottom. One is here, another is here, and the output is 20 watt, so which is quite impressive. Let me say, if I just connect my phone to it, wait a second, I'm recording from my phone. Okay, I will hang up a video from another mobile of playing from my Lumia on the TV wirelessly. Okay. Here I go with my Lumia for playing playing the content wirelessly on my TV. I got an app called as Lumia Play 2. You can download Miracast from the Play Store for Androids as well. There we go for videos. I'll just browse through my videos. As you can see, as my TV is just behind my phone, so we are going for a music. Just a second. Let's say we go for a mashup called as See You Again, the Mega Mix. Now you can see my Wi-Fi network and my TV network stream to LG Smart TV LH576D. So here we go, and you can see that. There you go. As you can see, I will turn up the volume. Again recording it from a phone. So here we go. Through the quick settings, we can see picture settings which let you 6 modes, which is vivid, standard, APS, auto power saving mode, cinema, cricket, game, and expert for bright and dark rooms as well. And for the sound modes, I like the sound mode. It's pretty cool. You can check yeah, just check out. You can check set your headphones, internal speakers, anything you want to turn off, whichever, and LG Sound Sync. This is just only for optical for TV and as well TV and internal speakers. And here we got standard mode, which allows you to turn on the Dolby Virtual Surround sound effect. It got Dolby Virtual Surround sound, which is quite impressive when connected on speakers. This is for antenna. This is you can check a network connection. As you can see, my TV is already connected to a network. Network is connected. My TV is already connected. You can check network status. That is in MAC address, IP address, subnet marks, gateway, and my TV got access to the internet. Okay, here we go back. This car's also got Wi-Fi direct. You can easily connect your Android phones with Wi-Fi direct. I do not got an Android phone, so cannot. Here we go, language option. It got multiple language options easily. And this mobile TV, it enables device apps to turn on your TV using a network. You can turn or turn off your TV from your phone as well using an app called as sorry, LG TV, LG TV app, WebOS TV. Okay, if we go through the apps, like we say YouTube, you can check out as well. Sorry, the colors are bright, but my phone does not taking it as. So here we go. It's loading. Now let's see our trending videos. So here we go. Trending, trending, trending. New MacBook Pro by Apple. Just check it out. The content will be played in HD or SD. This will depend on your network. My network is pretty slow now, but still it's playing. The quality of the TV is awesome. And if we, it also got connections through your many cheese. If I just press the input button here, if I just press input button here, right here, which is this there, just let me focus on my, yeah, you got, I got this input button. If I press input button, it will show me list of inputs. That HDMI 1, screen sharing from phone, antenna, HDMI 2, AV components, and bus. Okay, okay. That's all for this. The This is a pretty awesome budget TV. If you're planning to buy a good TV under 30,000 bucks, Indian INR bucks, this one is a hell of a good TV. Thank you.